What's up, guys? Got a little bit of an announcement. I am locked in, ready to go. I am headed to Maker Central next year. I am super excited. I didn't get to go last year, or this year technically, I guess, 2018. And I was super bummed. I just couldn't afford it. And then I got to see everybody's live videos and all their other videos after the fact. And I was like, oh man, I wish I could have gone. So I vowed to definitely make sure if they were going to do it again, I was headed there next year, and they are doing it again. It's going to be awesome. And I am already signed up, got my passports, got the tickets, everything. I'm definitely going. So I hope to see lots and lots of people out there. It's in Birmingham, England, May 11th and 12th at the NEC building, I guess, or whatever. So I'll have links to all the information that you ever needed about it. I think it's makercentral.co.uk. That might not be right, but I'll have it on the screen here, the right one, and links down in the show notes so you can find out more about the show. On the website, it also has kind of a schedule of what's going on, all the little demonstrations that are happening. You can look and see what vendors are going to be there. There's going to be tons and tons of vendors, which is always fun seeing tools, as well as like exhibitors. It's not necessarily just tool companies in the exhibit hall. Right in the middle of the floor is the YouTuber area. That's kind of, I guess, where we're all going to congregate. I don't know. I didn't do this last year, so I'm kind of guessing that's where, if you want to meet some YouTubers, there's a big booth area right in the middle of the floor. So that's where they'll probably be kind of hanging out. And there's also an entire page, a list of all the YouTubers that are going. So you can kind of check that, see who's going to be there. It's also kind of a cool thing. Like, I was kind of going through there and I found some new YouTube channels that I wasn't like aware of yet, like in wood turning and things that I'm interested in. So go check that out and see who all the makers are that are going to be there. You'll probably find some new YouTube channels to follow also. Now, before I go, I also wanted to just thank Nick Zametti for coming up with this thing, for giving us Maker Central. This is so awesome. It was his brainchild. He wanted to have something where, you know, all these makers would come together, and he totally made it happen and just rocked it pretty much. So thank you for giving us Maker Central, Nick. It's awesome. I can't wait to see everybody over there. I will see you all in England in May 2019.